Here we will write anything into the design we are going to create. We will align it into the center. So there we have. Now we will make it italic, regular, bold and italic. Then change the font color. There are the different colors we can apply on it. It's also the 3D design we can create of that text. It takes few seconds to generate the 3D design. So we can show you how it looks with it. So that's it.